But one life to live out here in this world, man. If you don't do it right now, then when you gonna do it? If you don't do it for nobody else, make sure you do it for yourself.
If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. In today's video, we're gonna be installing our compression drivers into the door pods. So if you're interested in seeing that install, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell, man, and help grow and join this family. But I still haven't got me a tripod. I've been being lazy, man. I probably snap me one up tomorrow. That way y'all can be able to get a time lapse of the whole process. But y'all will get the gist of what I got going on in this video. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Like I say, if you like this type of stuff, if you don't do anything, make sure you drop a like on this video, man. Let's get it. All right, guys. So what I'm about to do is get my drill, take all my little screws out, pull my speakers out real fast. And we gonna go back here in the back behind this part right here. We got to do some trimming. Y'all see I got my little miniature Dremel to get the job done. That's how I got these parts in. I didn't have no big expensive Dremel. I think the thing probably like $20 off Amazon or something, but it got the job done. We're gonna cut behind it, and then we're gonna fit our speakers in there, make sure they fit. Then we have to cut a hole in our part itself to get them to fit, and we're gonna do it like that. So I ran into a little issue that's really not an issue. I forgot that these have Loctite bolts and all that stuff on the back of the part. That way it can be sturdy to the door. So I'm not gonna take my whole panel off because that's just a goddamn lot, and I truly don't have time to do all that right now. So what I'm gonna do is just hook my Dremel up, and if y'all can see in here, just this piece right here got to be cut out. So what I'm gonna do is get my Dremel and just start cutting what I can, and I can get it cut enough where I can get all that out. So I have to go, use my little small hand, take advantage of my small hands and my small Dremel, and pretty much go behind the part itself without taking the whole panel out and cut that part out. So I got the hole pretty much cut out. No, I didn't have to take my whole panel off. I told you I wasn't gonna do that, fella. But the thing is, it's almost ready to go in. I got to widen this hole up maybe another ½ inch or so, and it'll slide right in. And we just got to widen this hole up. I got to cut this little lip right here out. But we got to widen the initial hole up, and then he'll sit right up in there, screw him down, and I'm gonna run it straight off my 6.5 for now until I get me another amp to run those separately. But for now, it'll work. Y'all didn't get to see the process, but y'all see the end result. Really wasn't a bad process. Like I said, I didn't have to take my whole panel off, but it took a hell of a lot of trimming. Y'all see all these plastic pieces all over the ground and shit like that right there. Took a lot of trimming to get it to fit exactly right, but it is perfect.
Try to get the cash up, boy. I'm in a bag. Too many flexed up, really. Y'all niggas saying I can do what I want. I ain't got a brand. I'm trying to keep bringing pressure. I ain't trying to crash. Ain't like if guess I'm on demon time. Trying to go 21. Guess I'm on prime time. She said I'm too some money, can see all that hate in your eye. Speaking, she feels so surprised. I told her I'm blessed in the sky. I'm on that gas pack, sitting on cloud nine. I'm gonna get rich, boy, or I'ma die trying. Don't need a handout, shop. Know how to get mine. I see blue, green. Don't do stop sign. We cool, too smooth. Cool. Took $1 when it flipped and bought a brand new training shoe. Don't let your misery be company. I got some shit to lose.
They shut me down for hard, give me hard. They talking about boys, but I'm too busy on the beat. I'm good. Niggas, they gon' die, they play with me, so dead attention. Just cause I say murder, did I mean I kill nobody? I stay out of beat cause I'm my daddy or somebody real. They say I move fast cause I'm scared back in my pocket. Draco had a seizure like a dragon when I pop. Please get your bitch in my DM before I block it. I be having fun with my music cause I'm the topic. You the goat, alright. They say you broke, alright. Don't want smoke, alright. You a hoe, alright. You the goat, alright. They say you broke, alright. You a hoe, alright. Don't want smoke, alright. You a hoe, alright. You don't want smoke, alright. You a hoe, alright. You the goat, alright. You a hoe, alright. They say you broke, but they thought I was gone, now I'm back, I ain't finished. Drop the ball in the socket, on tennis, main bitch 100.
Okay, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that little video, man. Like I said, the videos ain't gonna do it no justice. Yes, I had to slow some of them songs down for copyright purposes and all that good stuff, man. You know, we trying to make a little money out of these videos too, but I had to slow a couple of them down. But you'll have to hear this shit in person, man. Like, they really walked them doors up, and I'm actually thinking about trying some more DS-18 6.5. Nothing at all wrong with these, but I think I can find some that play lower frequencies. That way I can get that little bass out of them. I don't want a lot of bass out of them, but I still need a little bass out of them because this is pretty much just straight mid-range. It's just basically vocals. That's it, basically. And the little bass they trying to play, you could tell they struggling doing it because they weren't made to play that low, if that makes sense. So I may look into give me some more DS-18s that plays a little lower. That way we can get a little more bass out of it, and it'll refine the sound in the truck, if that makes sense, man. It'll bring everything together. But this your boy Bass Addict, checking out with another one. Like I said, if you haven't, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, man. And if you don't do anything, drop a like on the video, man, or a dislike, whatever the case may be. It still help me out in the algorithm, no matter what. But I would prefer if you hit that like button, for sure. This your boy Bass Addict, checking out with another one. We are out.
Sweet dreams, they can start off as nightmares, yeah. You can voice your opinion, but who really cares, yeah. Niggas saying that I motherfucking been here before. Like I got a whole soul, you know. We cool. Not that same dude back in high school. Trials and tribulation had to make